Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, MANA, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Decentraland. So first news today about MANA price prediction. Attempts to breach descending trend line, targets $2.40 next. MANA price remains negatively skewed, moving in a tight range. The price action lacks conviction for a clear trend. Decentraland, MANA, is following a long-term descending resistance line with resistance of $5.91. MANA price trades, with losses on Tuesday. Expect a bounce toward $2.40 if breaks above the bearish slopping line. The downside is capped near $2.20. MANA price seeks short-term bounce. On the 1-hour time frame, the MANA price is showing strength and is in preparation to escape two immediate upside hurdles. If taken out successfully, MANA price will be seeing interim upside target at the horizontal $2.30 resistance level. The Metaverse coin opened lower, but quickly tested the session's high, before retracing back to the lows of $2.22. This happens to be double support for the price as a result of MANA attempting to bounce back toward the descending trendline. The bearish trendline, which extends from the highs of $2.44, acts as a resistance for the bulls. If the price takes out a $2.30 upside filter, then bulls will move forward to seek the next target at $2.35. A sustained buying pressure will bring highs of March 13 at $2.44 in play. On the other hand, a spike and sell order might continue with the downside momentum. A break below the session low will test the lows made on January 24 at $1.80. MANA's price depreciated nearly 73% from record highs made on November 25 at $5.91. As of writing, MANA United States dollar is trading at $2.24, down 3.69% for the day. As per the CoinMarketCap, Decentraland's value went from $1.6 billion to $7 billion, the same price as the New York Times. At the market's peak, the company was worth $12 billion. With its own tokens totaling around $6 billion, Decentraland, strictly a DAO, is the first crypto unicorn in Argentina. Quotes from the protagonists. The article quotes Demian Briner, Open Zeppelin's CEO and co-founder. A crypto poll with such force could not emerge in the first world, where citizens trust their governments, their currency, their institutions and their banks. In retrospect, it makes a lot of sense that something like Voltaire would have happened in Argentina. It also quotes Decentraland's founder and Casa Voltaire alumni Esteban Ordano speaking about what made the place special. At lunch, breaks, and downtime, we made time for deep conversations. Technological change and its impact on society were undoubtedly an important axis. Politics and economics were also present, but without stigmatization. We discussed ideas without judging those who brought them. Last but not least, the author quotes Munes Darius and Dermanus. The fundamental thing here is to understand the timing. There are many ideas, from Web3, that are going to happen, but it is difficult to know exactly when, because they depend on mass adoption, or on certain technologies that need better development. The Casa Voltaire mystery: what happened in that house in Palermo, Buenos Aires. The original article's author couldn't find enough information about the founder's time there. Is there a reason for that? The article quotes an anonymous programmer. Low-profile personality is one explanation, but also security issues, and not raising your head at a time when regulations and tax burden on the sector are supposed to increase. Bitcoin, Ether, Doge rises after Elon Musk says he isn't selling. Elon Musk, in the tweet, shares he owns Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Doge, and isn't planning to sell. Moreover, he also shares his advice that, generally, it is better to own physical things like a home or stock in good companies that make good products than dollars when inflation is high. He said, as a general principle, for those looking for advice from this thread, it is generally better to own physical things like a home or stock in companies you think make good products than dollars when inflation is high. I still own and won't sell my Bitcoin, Ethereum or Doge. This time around, he had posted a question on Twitter about the likely rate of inflation over the next few years. It is not entirely unpredictable that you would reach that conclusion, Musk retorted. MicroStrategy took a $147 million impairment charge for the fourth quarter, as Bitcoin's price drop forced the company to write down its holding. At the time of press, Bitcoin (BTC) is trading at $38,544, Ethereum at $2,570, and Doge at 11 cents. The crypto market cap continues to be in range-bound near $1.72 trillion, as prices continue to move sideways. The crypto market has come under pressure once again ahead of the European Union reportedly working to pass a bill banning all proof-of-work (POW) cryptocurrencies, citing environmental concerns. The crypto community is waiting for voting on the controversial markets in crypto assets (MiCA) framework, as it includes a clause to ban all energy-intensive digital assets. How much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, Mana, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. Mana has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. Mana is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price Mana Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Mana will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price level $11.13. Mana Rate Prediction 2026. Mana will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover